Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make Suji Barfi. I know Diwali is coming and I am glad, like so happy to share some of the sweet recipe with you guys. So I know you guys gonna try it and definitely like it. So this Suji Barfi is so simple but yet so delicious. It is like so affordable and easy to make. Let me show you the ingredients that we're gonna need for the Suji Barfi. So we're gonna need suji, obviously, sugar. This is full cream milk powder, whole milk, cardamom powder, and ghee. We also need some for the topping, for garnishing. You can use any nuts you prefer. Almond, you can use cashew, the whole cashew, whole almond, or just like chop or slice, or pistachio. So that's like up to you. So I think I'm gonna do like sliced almond, maybe. So let's go to the stove so we can get started without wasting time. In a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, I'm gonna add this butter, and we are going to roast the semolina, not butter, sorry, clarified butter or ghee. You can use butter as well if you don't want to use ghee. Just replace the ghee with butter, and just make sure to use unsalted butter, because then your barfi gonna be a little salty, which you don't want. So now we're just gonna keep stirring, and this is going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to roast. Now you can see the color of the semolina has changed a little bit, and now it's time to add sugar. And we're still gonna roast the semolina with the sugar for another 8 to 10 minutes over medium-low heat. Next, I'm gonna add cardamom powder. I'm gonna add milk powder, and then I'm just gonna keep stirring and keep roasting. After adding the milk powder, you just have to be extra careful, because now everything is going to burn quickly, because milk is like so it's gonna turn into color very quickly. I'm gonna add milk, whole milk now, and now I'm gonna stir this quickly, and the heat is still over medium-low. So now we're just gonna keep stirring, and we're almost done. As soon as this mixture comes together and separated from the pan, comes like a dough, then you know like this mixture is ready. The mixture is coming together just like a dough, separated completely from the pan, just like that. And now you can turn the heat off. A glass dish nicely greased with butter. Just make sure to put a lot of butter in it so the barfi doesn't stick. And now the yummy, and guess what? I already have a little spoon. It is so good. I can't wait to eat it. I can't wait. Oh good. This is so heavy. So just pour everything into the pan. Now depending on the thickness, let's see. I'm not gonna spread this maybe not everywhere. I'm just gonna do half, because I want it to be a little thicker, not thin. Using a spoon is like way better to spread this barfi. Okay, so that was like 3/4 of the glass dish, because now you guys can see the thickness of the barfi from here. Okay, so now I'm just gonna spread some chopped almond, sliced almond, and I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm gonna tap it a little bit so the almond can stick. Okay guys, it's too long to wait for this to get set, slice and eat. I'm just gonna use a spoon and grab a little bit so I can try. Well, I already tried, but you guys can see I just grab this with a spoon, and you can already see the shape of the barfi. And it might just like take an hour to set. You don't even need to put that in the fridge, but if you do, and if you're in a rush, yes, put it in the fridge. But I'm just gonna eat it like this. In an hour I'm gonna start mine. I'm gonna start snuck in. This is so good. This is so good. I want more. So good. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I can't wait to see you guys make this and post a picture, or let me know in the comment section down below how did yours turn and if you like it. And I guarantee you that you are going to like this Barfi. It is so good. It's like from now on I'm just gonna eat Suji or Semolina Barfi. I'm not gonna eat any other Barfi because this is that good. It's kind of a like Koya taste, like a milk cake Barfi taste, but in a Suji version. It is like so good, guys. You guys need to try this. I'm gonna leave you guys for today, and I will see you next time with another great recipe. For now, bye bye.